YouTube, how y'all doing out there today? Back with a quick little unboxing and a couple of things we picked up while we were out today. And we got, like I said, got this Funko Shop exclusive we had been waiting on to come in and complete this little set we had. We're gonna be right back. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Alright, first we went to a Hot Topic. We decided to pick up the My Hero Academia Deku Hot Topic exclusive. And while we were there, we just went ahead and they had picked up that Captain America Hot Topic exclusive from the new Avengers movie. Alright, we're gonna be right back and we're gonna check out this FYE. And from FYE, we decided to go ahead and pick this up, the anti-Dragon Ball Z collection. They had them in stock. It's the Super Saiyan Goku, the Entertainment Earth exclusive, the glow in the dark. You see in my previous videos, I'm a big fan of this show. Don't collect all the pops, but certain ones I do like. And then because they had them on sale, we went ahead and picked up the Trap Jaw from the Masters of the Universe. FYE still had plenty of stock of these and they were actually on sale. And I've been hearing rumors about the licensing and them not making any more of the Masters of the Universe line, but you know, never know. So I picked them up just in case. Put them next to the Buzz Off I was able to find. Alright, be right back and we're gonna get into this box we got. Alright, the Funko box, and double box. We were definitely waiting on these to come in. Like I said, to complete a little set of the Game of Thrones, Dorbs, the Dire Wolves. Let's see, we're lucky enough to get the first set that came in. You know, they were limited to 2,500 pieces. And that's Lady. And there are the other ones right there. Summer. And then Namiria. And so we were lucky enough to get our order in. Like the first set that came out, these went pretty quick. You know, Game of Thrones started back up. A lot of fans out there. All right, and that's our little haul we got for the day. We got the Game of Thrones, Dire Wolves, Trap Jaw, FYE exclusive. Got Entertainment Earth exclusive glow-in-the-dark Super Saiyan Goku. And then 2 Hot Topic exclusives, Captain America and Deku. Alright, hope y'all had a blessed day out there. Got some good finds. Collect what you love. Funk Papa here. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe. We'll try to keep it going. Funk Papa out. Collect what you love.